What's up, guys? I just got to the shop again. I had to go run and do a bunch of shop shit. Well, I don't know, I already ordered some brackets from Atomic Fab for some new bucket seats, but today we're gonna be fixing this truck right here. I think they put like the wrong flip kit in there, maybe like an OBS flip kit. Highly doubt it was like a 9906 flip kit. He already broke like 2-3 drive shafts, and what else? Broke the transmission toe, and he's just been having a lot of problems with the truck. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go lower on the truck, but we're gonna replace the flip kit, use an IHC flip kit, and do his underbed notch. And probably gonna have to either relocate the shocks or do shock extenders on this one, because he is going a little bit lower than what he originally has. But it's a nice truck, believe it or not. It's the RST version of these right here. He just did the HD front on it, and I think it comes with the regular hood and then the little racing stripes. But the seats, they're RST seats, so it's the real thing. Pretty cool. It's one of like the first ones that I've seen like in person. And then over here we have my piece of shit with no seats, nothing. All I did yesterday was just man, it was already pretty late. What did I do? I just did this. Put a little thing back in there. So what I'm thinking about doing is I still want the center console seat, the little bucket jump seat. I'm gonna modify those brackets, probably like cut right here or here, and just weld them onto the other one. But first I need to have the seats here, the ones I am gonna put into the truck, and just, you know, measure whatever, tack, measure, put them on, see where they sit. I want the middle seat to sit like right. I don't want it too high or too low or whatever. What else? The brackets, they're from Atomic Fab. He does let you customize them. You know, they're made on a plasma table, whatever. I saw these really nice ones. They say Regency, and those are the ones I picked for the truck. So I don't know, I might just do like a Regency clone, I guess you could say. Not an SS clone, but like a Regency clone of the truck. And I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. But right now we're gonna pull this truck out and start focusing on that one today. Alright guys, I already took off the wheels and everything, disconnected the shocks. I just want to show you guys something before I get further into the tear apart of the truck. Look at that, bro. That, it's not even touching. What that is, the bottom part, I bet you anything, like, I have not even taken it apart yet, but I can already tell what it is. It's a trailer saddle that they use for like trailer axles. And then what these guys do, they just go and cut whatever they think a flip kit is, and that's what you get. And that's how your pinion angle is, and that's why he broke 2 of them. You can see right there, let me see, I'm shining the light. It says 8/24/2020. He has maybe like a month with this drive shaft, because it's barely gonna be October. Like today's October 28th or whatever. Like I said, he's broken 2 drive shafts. The last time they broke the drive shaft, it punctured the gas tank, so it fucked it up. So that's another thing I need to tell you guys, is that, you know, y'all like to race and shit, and y'all learn, you know, your shit isn't A1. You know, your suspension should always be A1. If you have a good flip kit, good drop shocks, whatever, even like relocate them, you won't get any wheel hops. The cow tracks help too. If that shit isn't A1, you can snap the drive shaft. So if you're thinking you're gonna snap it, or you just don't have a good drive shaft that's gonna hold up for the power that you have, highly recommend you guys to get that drive shaft loop. It's really cheap. It's like $100, $150. Speed Engineering has it. I have mine. I just haven't had time to put it on. So yeah, that's pretty bad on my part. And his exhaust is big to shit too. Look at that. See? That is from the drive shaft breaking. So yeah, guys, this is pretty serious, you know. You can have an accident, or, you know, just damage everything, and then you'll be out of transmission, a drive shaft, and a gas tank, just because you didn't do the drive shaft loop. So highly recommend you guys to do that. I'm gonna start tearing this thing apart, and if you guys need flip kits, we have them here for $150. for 07 to 13, 14 to 18, and 9906 OBS. I really don't get a lot of those in, so I'll just special order you that one if you want it, but we got them. So let me finish tearing this thing apart, install the new flip kit, and then hopefully if I have time, take the bed off and start cleaning the frame up and do the underbed notch. But before I let you guys go, show you guys the seats. See? That's nice. That's pretty fucking nice. I don't really see a lot of these. Like, this body style is the first one I get to like touch, get my hands on. The last one was Homeboy's truck. It was a white Regency. That one was like a 2004, 2003. That one was nice too. It was a cat eye step side. And that's probably what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a Regency theme on that one, even though it's not a real one. It'll just be like a little clone. But that's just pretty cool. Alright, so the new flip kit's on, and just how I told you guys, these are trailer saddles. That's what ruined the whole truck and everything. So this is your IHC 07 to 18 flip kit, and I mean the jack's on there, but I mean it doesn't make a difference. That's how your pinion angle should look, like that. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna slap on the wheels and take it for a test drive, and I'm gonna record when I turn the truck on. You guys are gonna love this one. I don't know, but this truck's fucking sick. It makes me miss mine. Oh shit, I need to get my piece of shit back. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, he did fucking tell me about that shit. Motherfucker, the shift cable. I got stuck. I'm fucking neutral. Fuck, I wanted to drive this bitch. Oh my god. Cut. Well, I managed to put her inside. Did a little easy fix, 2 zip ties on the little thing for the transmission. The reason it pops off is because he used to have a CTSV transmission, and now he went back to the 4L80, so he doesn't have the correct bracket, but he's gonna get the right one. So little easy fix. And he posts blogs on YouTube also, Nathan Cuz Blogs. So if y'all want to follow his build, pretty nice truck, man. Pretty nice, beautiful truck. Go ahead and follow him. But tomorrow we're gonna knock out the underbed notch for him, and then she'll be ready to go home and slap some drop shackles on. Go down another 2 inches, so he's gonna be at a 9. So yeah, catch y'all later. Boom.